Mga kababayan, panoorin ninyo sa Clarecast. Tingnan nyo kung gaano kawalang hiya ito si Claire Castro. Ang kapal ng mukha. Sumama pala siya sa Canada ni Bongbong Adik daw, sabi Amy Marco. Mar. Ang kapal talaga ng mukha ni Claire. Kaya pala todo tanggol siya sa amo niyang bangag. Winawalang hiyanan na nga nila si Sara Duterte. Sana nga makulong na kayo, Claire. Kasama ang amo mong bangag. Magdusa kayo sa kulungan, Claire Castro.
Shame on you, Claire, anti-Claire! Shame on you, anti-Claire, anti-Claire!
Please! Crybaby! What a crybaby! Please bring the money to the Filipino people. We have a big flood control projects come right now.
I think we can hear you about that.
Kapal ng mukha!
They could threaten by you guys, just let them be you. You can film them all you want, no problem.
We are harmless. We just want to let them know. Just want to let them know.
Feel free to say whatever you want.
She lies! She lies!
Oh, come on! Harassing? Look what you did in the Philippines!
No, we are not violent. We're pangit nyo! Kung pangit nyo! Kung pangit mo! Kung pangit mo! Kung pangit mo!